Okay, so we're having some steaks for my birthday, and this is little Amara's one. So yeah, you go ahead. Bit of cumin in there. Very nice, very nice. A little bit of garlic. Some pepper. Okay, and I'll do the salt, all right? Mm-hmm. So, here it is, the lamb steak. About 2 minutes on each side. Should do the job. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, so you're going to turn it around on the other side. Well done. There we go. Now push it to that other side. Push it into the middle of the pan. There we go. Look at that. Okay, now we're just cooking the edges. Amara's doing that. Looking nice and brown. Leave it there for 30. Right, Amara, so what we got here?
Now we've got the lamb chops.
Okay, so go ahead. Let's get it sorted. That's garlic. Cumin again. Very simple ingredients. That's enough on that one. And a little bit of pepper. And the same process again. There they are, look, all seasoned, these lamb chops. Can you hold the camera, Amara? I'll put them in the old pan. There we have the lamb chops. Get browning on each side. Get the sides done. Looking good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is the other lamb.
Go.
Look at the size of that. This rump steak. Time to be cooked. And this is how my steak is looking. Fantastic. And here we go. Very nice. And voila. All done. Yeah, boy. So, here we are. My steak, some peri-peri chips, lamb chops, lamb steak, and some peppercorn sauce. Bon appetit. What do you think?
I think it looks really good.